Welcome to the presentation of Buy Me Crypto. This is our submission for Solana Ignition. My awesome teammate Ishan Desai and myself Paricha Barpanda. We have built this app. Buy Me Crypto is a platform for creators to receive donation via crypto by their fans, just like Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon for fiat. So here's how to use the app. You sign in using GitHub or Google, you select your user type, and if you're a creator, you publish your page. If you're a fan, you visit creators page, and if you wish to donate them, you can connect with your Phantom wallet and donate them via Sol tokens. And the home page, you can track all your past transactions. Some of the product features: it is a server-side rendered app, so it's SEO friendly. App is fully responsive. Dark mode is supported. Phantom wallet integration is there. We have enabled sign in for Google and GitHub at the moment. Okay, so the demo time. Now this is where our app is hosted. This is a creator's profile. And the settings, you have to add some information in order to publish the page. So everything has been configured already. Now I'll go to a fan account. Here in the fan account, I'll go to the creators page directly, which is a unique URL. Now I can see creator information on left side, and here I can choose one time of subscription based payment. Subscription is currently disabled. We are working on a crypto based subscription payment. Now I'll do one time transaction and donate 10 rampods. I select sponsor. It takes me to a checkout session where I'll be able to connect my wallet. Now the wallet is connected. Now I choose confirm transaction. It asks me for approval. Now the transaction is confirmed, and it takes me back to the home page where you can see the transaction ID. You can check this in the Solana Explorer. Yeah, so that's about the demo. Here's the benefit to the community: it enables creators to accept payments in Sol. It promotes adoption of Solana. It simplifies blockchain based transaction for fans. So we have a lot of improvements planned in future. We want to build a SPL token for subscription based payment, and Oracle to track creators growth on different social media, so that we enable yield farming for fans to support their creators and get returns based on creators growth. And there's a lot more to this. You can check out our public roadmap. So our app is hosted at this URL. You can check out our source code. This is our public roadmap URL, and you should join our Discord server for discussion and if you want to be part of the project. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.